Hello, myself Sunil Ramakrishna. Here basically we are discussing about the topic that is this basically, that is currencies. Sorry, cities basically, city creation. In this basically we are discussing about one topic that is 22 blood cells and 20% error basically is then in the education sector. And in this basically we are discussing about 200 people basically. 200 people error, and in this basically we are discussing Sunil R. Nair story also. In this basically we are going to discuss 11 parts of the earth planet. 11 parts of the earth planet. That also basically we are going to discuss basically. So now basically we are discussing what basically? We are discussing here is this basically. We are discussing here is this. The dangerous group basically of the universe group basically. Minimum age basically is 1 lakh year basically. That basically we are discussing. In this basically we are discussing Ayodhya Mandir basically is going to get start basically on 22nd January 2023. So 24 basically. So one of the person told that this temple is going to start. That means they are going to contribute in this basically, right? So he told that yes basically. In this basically, for example, Earth planet maximum age is what basically? One person asked basically. Earth planet persons, human basically we will say. Human maximum age is what? So one person told that it's 90,000 year age. So this he told. So he told that basically this Ayodhya Ram Mandir inauguration basically, or basically you can say start basically, is going to increase this 90,000 year age basically. So that purpose basically the earth planet current generation which is ongoing, that is going to do that only. So for that one assume that basically I will take one example basically, that is next generation. For example, I have myself basically, right? I will take myself example only. I am basically single, my marriage will happen, my child will happen, and that will be the next generation of myself, right? Basically, if it will not happen, then basically my generation is ended. Just taking as an example basically. Now basically my generation is ended basically. So one of the person told that basically, so what your basically generation has given the contribution. Then one of the person sorry basically I have not given any contribution basically, because my generation is ended basically. Earth planet basically, that is Ram Mandir group basically ended my generation basically. If my generation is not going to happen basically, then he told that yes here basically. So you want to say that basically Ram Mandir basically Ayodhya group basically ended your generation? No, basically I am not telling that basically. I am just giving the example basically. If my generation will not go basically, will not become one more generation, it will not convert to one more generation, then basically my generation is ended. So what is my contribution? Contribution basically means I have generated my energy basically. Mostly basically people say that basically energies are few energies are only basically used in this. Only few energies are used in this world basically. In that basically few people says that this energy are also used. Why? Because there are basically more than 100 crore people basically who believes in Ram God basically and Hanumanji God basically. That means who believe, that means what basically? The count basically of the energy basically has increased. So that is going to increase this number basically. That is 100% going to increase this number. It is negative or positive basically. It's a positive.